Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets, the premier source for Second Amendment news. We are here in Rhode Island at Rosco Manufacturing. I didn't even know y'all were this close. I literally could throw a football and hit like my backyard. Thanks for having me, my friend Tiberius.
Pleasure.
Link down below. Check out his channel. You should be subscribed to it. Dude, thank you first off. I'm going to be pumping in some video. We went to the range today. I shot some of their new barrels, which we're talking about today. Very impressed, man. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to play with them.
Thank you for coming down. And more importantly, thank you for lunch.
Yeah, Federal Hill in Rhode Island and Dino's. Look it up. So we got 3 barrels here. I know you guys are really stoked about your new barrel. I am too. Let's take this from an angle of the average person watching might not be like up on
John
barrel.
Wick.
Yeah, it might not be. Yeah, it might not be a barrel snob, if you will. Explain the new K9 and what it is and why somebody should pick your barrel over somebody else's. What attributes it brings with the cost, the price point, and we'll start from there.
All right. So I think from 10,000 feet, I think our barrels are affordable accuracy. That's the hashtag we use on Instagram all of the time. And to get a high quality barrel that has potential of shooting sub MOA, I say potential because you need the right skills and ammo to do so, of course. But the barrels can shoot sub 1 MOA. Everything is made here in the States with US made steel. Affordable accuracy is the easiest way for me to sum up Rosco. We have 3 different barrel lines. The one we were shooting and the one I want to talk about is our new K9 barrel. The previous barrels is the Bloodline series, which is a black nitride barrel. We have the Purebred barrel, which is a stainless barrel. And then now the K9, in my opinion, is the best of both worlds brought together. There's 3 main features I want to explain to you guys. The biggest one is going to be the patrol length gas system. It's a custom gas length that we came up with. We meaning the previous sales and marketing team. I can't take credit for this, but very, very ingenious because 12.5 inch using a carbine length, it's okay. It's not ideal. It's not the softest shooting gun. It's reliable, not the softest. Some companies have tried mid-length on a 12.5 and that's okay, but not the softest shooting. So they came up with the patrol length, which is just in between carbine and mid-length, and the barrel shoots significantly softer. Woo! Damn, son! Than a carbine length system, and it's a lot more reliable than a mid-length. So overall, I think it's just the sweet spot for a 12.5 or an 11.5 inch barrel. Second thing I want to talk about is the material. It's a 416 material, which again has a lot more potential to be accurate as long as we as shooters do our job. And then it's a black nitrite finish. So for durability, it's going to last tens of thousands of rounds. Again, kind of the best of both worlds here. And the other thing that's different is going to be the profile of it. It has a continuous taper profile, which is, similar profiles have been around for a very, very long time. This profile is very good at dissipating heat, and you don't typically see, you see a lot less, the accuracy doesn't get bad when the barrel warms up, is what I'm trying to say. Where a government profile, if you get that barrel good and warm, you definitely drop off a little bit of your accuracy. With a profile like this, you're not going to see it. And it does come with the gas tube because it's a proprietary length, and it's going to be sub $200.
And your gas tubes, you don't just like hack a gas tube and you guys make them yourself?
No, we have Rich in the back. He has a saw and he hand cuts. No, we make the gas tube for this specific length. It's not like a rifle length or a mid length that we cut down. It's made to fit and operate. It will work with any gas block, but the gas tube comes with it, obviously, and we sell extras for the folks out there who want to have a backup. You can buy an extra one as well. Cool.
And what would, if I'm out there looking for a barrel, what's the price point-ish?
A lot of that will depend on the material and the length. You could get a smaller 10 or 11.5 inch barrel. Bloodline's going to be the most affordable. That's going to be in the low 100s. As you go up to a purebred, that's going to be above 200 in that area. The K9 starts sub $200. On this particular barrel, we partnered with Sage Dynamics. It's the 12.5 inch barrel. We're also working and testing an 11.5 inch barrel with Kinetic Consulting, Duffy, and then there's going to be a 13.9 in the K9 series as well. That one we're partnering with Greenline Tactical. And then the 4th barrel is probably going to be a 16 inch in the K9 profile. But I can't tell you guys who we're partnering with yet, so that's a secret. We'll do another video with Jared when we can tell you.
So for those who are like sub MOA with a potential, as long as the shooter can meet up with the gun's potential, $200, Subway one way, out of the box.
Yep. As long as you have the right equipment, the right ammo, the right skills, it can be done. We do it with our barrels all of the time. Even this 12.5. Tom Marshall from Recoil was out testing this 12.5-inch barrel, and he was getting hits at 880 yards with a 12-inch barrel.
Wow, that's impressive.
It's pretty good.
Pretty good. They make some good stuff here, guys.
Yeah.
Where can the average person find you to purchase some product?
So we are in pretty much every large online dealer. So if you have Midway or Primary or Optics Planet, whoever your favorite is, we're there. We're on RoscoManufacturing.com is our website. On Facebook, it's also Rosco Manufacturing, and then on Instagram, it is Rosco_MFG.
I will have links down below so you can check them out, guys and gals. It's extremely impressive to see. Actually, behind this wall is where the process starts. The raw steel. I walked through the whole thing. They gave me a tour. It all happens here. It's U.S. made, U.S. product, and it's extremely impressive for the price point. So if you're building a rifle, I would strongly suggest to check out Rosco for the barrel. And they also make other stuff too. Check them out. It's very, very impressive. Dude, thank you for your time, man.
Thanks for coming by.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it, man.